In the case of a single page website, it is very useful if the navigation menu can scroll to different sections. For example, over here, this is a single page website, and when you click on the menu item over here, it will go to different sections. Okay, it will go to different sections over here, and it creates a better user experience for the website visitors because they don't need to go to different pages, and using the navigation menu they can easily go to different sections they want to. Whenever someone is ready, they can quickly or easily click on the contact menu item and go to the contact section with the form, the contact form. So now let's have a look how we can implement this system on this page over here. Okay, so that when you click, we will be adding a navigation menu like this over here that will allow a user to go to different sections just like this over here. Okay, so let's get started. So this over here, this is a page made with Elementor, and so firstly what we are going to do is that we are going to add, like divide each section. Okay, so for example we are going to have different section. Let's divide the different sections, this page, into, for example, we can say that this is the pricing section, and this over here is the FAQ sections, and this over here is the testimonial section, and finally this we can have this as the free trial section. Okay, so let's write it down. So we can say pricing. So this is a Google Doc which I am using, or you can use a notepad, and we can name this FAQ section, followed by, we can say this is the testimonial section, testimonial, and finally we can say that this is the free trial section, free trial. Okay, so then what we are going to do, we are going to add or assign different IDs to each of this section. Okay, free trial. Okay, we are going to add different IDs to each of this section, but we need to make sure we need to note down what ID we are setting. Okay, so firstly let's start with the pricing. Click over here, the container, go to advanced setting, and over here you see CSS ID. Write down pricing. Okay, copy this exact thing and paste it over here, and for the scroll down we are ignoring this section. Okay, but if you want to have this section in the navigation menu, you can add something like compare plans, but for saving time I'm ignoring this. So let's just go over here, common questions. So we can name this, we can assign an ID FAQ over here, copy this. For FAQ, the ID is FAQ, And for testimonials, this is the testimonial section. Click over here, CSS ID, testimonial. Whatever you write down, it doesn't mean if there is a spelling error or whatever, it will not matter. Just copy it exactly and paste it over here, okay? And then trial, okay, free trial. We can add the CSS ID, just trial, to simplify it. Copy it, okay, paste it over here, okay. Now simply save it. Okay, now what you're going to do, we're going to go to the backend, WordPress backend. And now we need to create a menu. So we have named the scroll page. We'll get back to this later. But firstly, let's go and create the menu. We can create a new menu and we can call it scroll menu, and then click on create. And then what are you going to do? We are going to add this. Firstly, we had pricing over here, copy pricing over here. Then for the URL, we are going to copy this pricing, copy, and then paste it. And before that, we are going to add a hashtag. Then we are going to add it to the menu. Then for the second one, FAQ, paste it over here, hashtag, and then we copy this over here and paste it over here, FAQ, to menu. Then for the third, testimonial, copy it, paste it, hashtag, and copy this part over here. Add to menu, and then free trial, copy this, paste this, hashtag, and then copy this free trial one, copy and paste it over here. Add to menu. Okay, so our menu is ready, which we are calling it scroll menu. Then go to pages, and this is the page we are working on, scroll page. We can simply edit with Elementor, or we can just go to inside the page just to simplify. Okay, now click edit with Elementor. Okay, okay, it's loading. Let it fully load. Okay, now what you're going to do, we are going to add a header. We are going to add a menu over here. Okay, what we can do, we can add a menu at the top. We can add a flex box. Okay, and we can use the color of this container, because that would separate. Copy, let's delete this, we don't need this. We're going to need the top container. Paste the color, then let's add a minimum height of 80 pixels. Then simply add search for the menu item over here, and then we're going to add this WordPress menu over here. Okay, center align it. You can see it right now because it's kind of green color. What we're going to do, we're going to set it to white, and this is the not the menu we had made. We made a different menu which we call scroll menu. Okay, now let's click over here, pricing. For better user experience, what you can do, we can make this section over here sticky. When you go over here under motion effects, we have to scrolling effect, sticky as top. Okay, and then another important thing is that you need to set a high index 100 so that this header doesn't go below any of the sections. Okay, so now let's scroll down over here. See, it sticks to the top over here. Go click over free trial, it goes to over here, free trial. Testimonial, it goes to testimonial. FAQ, it goes to the FAQ section, and pricing goes to the top pricing section. So let's have a look at it at the live page over here. Pricing, FAQ, testimonial, free trial. Okay, FAQ, testimonial, free trial over here, and pricing. Okay, pricing. So this is how you can link menu items to scroll to different sections in an Elementor page. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.